Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to check your Taobao order tracking number. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or 1688, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to check your Taobao order tracking number. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Taobao shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Taobao shopping app. Having opened up your Taobao shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then it's going to take you right here. The order that you have on transit is going to be found right here. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So it's going to take you right here. So your order tracking number is this particular number right here. And for you to copy your order tracking number, simply click on here. So once you click on that, you see copy. It simply means that you just copy your order tracking number. You can send it to your logistic or freight forwarder to track your goods. And when they receive the parcel, you will be notified. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to see your order tracking number on Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more tutorials like this, tips and tricks about China importation business, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using pinduoduo, Taobao or Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.